Today we're gonna do a vanilla chocolate cake. All you need is 290 grams of flour, 150 grams of brown and 150 grams of white sugar, 240 milliliters of buttermilk, 120 milliliters of vegetable oil, 3 eggs and 115 grams of soft butter, a little bit of salt, 1 pack of vanilla sugar and 1 pack of baking powder. For the cream as a cake topping you need 160 grams of icing sugar, a little bit of cocoa powder, 150 grams of butter, 400 grams of cream cheese, and 120 milliliters of cream. We will start with making the dough. Put the butter with the white and the brown sugar in a bowl. Stir it until combined and add the eggs one by one. Add then the vegetable oil and the vanilla sugar. Stir all well and prepare the flour. Mix the baking powder with the flour and sift it into the dough. Do not add all of the flour at once. Just add half of it. Then add the half of the buttermilk and repeat the process. Add the rest of the flour, stir the dough and then add the rest of the buttermilk. Stir until combined. And put the dough into a baking tin. If you want to do a cake with 2 floors as I do, then you can add the dough into 2 baking tins. I used round baking tins, one with 24 centimeters and the other with 10 centimeters. Then put them into the oven at 180 degrees until they get a golden brown color, which for usual takes about 20 to 30 minutes. Take the cakes out of the oven, let them cool down, put them upside down and remove the baking tin. Prepare then the cream as a cake topping. For that, stir the cream until stiff. Put it aside and stir the butter, the cream cheese and the sugar in another bowl. Sift then the icing sugar into the mixture, stir all well, and add the stiff cream at last. Stir it one more time and your cream is ready. In this recipe I will use cocoa powder to color the half of the cream. It not only colors the cream, it will also add a chocolate taste. If you want other specific colors, you can add food color. You can keep the cream in the fridge for a while before putting it on the cake. Start by putting a part of the cream on the bottom piece of the cake. Then do the same with the upper piece. Put then the upper cake piece onto the bottom cake piece. Use then a pastry bag to create a cake design with the cream. In this part you can be very creative. You can add some chocolates, some nuts, or any cake decoration you like. Make sure to keep the cake in the fridge and enjoy your vanilla chocolate cake.